History of avocado. Hello and welcome to this video on the history of avocados. Avocados have become one of the most popular fruits in the world in recent years, with their creamy texture and unique flavor. But where did they come from? Let's find out. Avocados are believed to have originated in south-central Mexico over 7,000 years ago. The first avocado trees were cultivated by the indigenous peoples of Mexico and Central America, who called the fruit ahuacatl, which means testicle, in the Nahuatl language. The ancient Mesoamericans revered avocados as a symbol of fertility and believed that they had aphrodisiac properties. They also used avocados for medicinal purposes, using them to treat a variety of ailments. After the Spanish conquest of Mexico in the 16th century, avocados were introduced to Europe, where they became known as avocado, after the Spanish word aguacate. From there, they slowly spread to other parts of the world, including the United States. In the early 20th century, avocados were introduced to California, where the climate was ideal for growing the fruit. Today, the United States is the largest producer of avocados in the world, followed by Mexico and Peru. There are many different varieties of avocados, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Some of the most popular varieties include Hass, Fuerte, Bacon, and Pinkerton. Hass avocados, which are the most commonly consumed type in the United States, have a creamy texture and nutty flavor. In recent years, avocados have become a ubiquitous part of popular culture. From avocado toast to guacamole, avocados are a favorite food among millennials and health-conscious consumers. Avocado-themed merchandise, such as t-shirts and phone cases, have also become popular. Is avocado good for the skin? Yes, avocado is considered good for the skin due to its many beneficial properties. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants, which can help to nourish and protect the skin. The healthy fats in avocados help to keep the skin moisturized, soft, and supple. These fats are also important for maintaining the skin's natural barrier function, which helps to protect against environmental stressors such as pollution and UV radiation. Avocados are also a good source of vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to premature aging of the skin. In addition, avocados contain vitamin C, which is another powerful antioxidant that can help to brighten the skin and improve its overall texture and appearance. Vitamin C is also important for the production of collagen, which is a protein that helps to keep the skin firm and elastic. Finally, avocados contain several other beneficial compounds, such as beta-carotene and lutein, which have been shown to have protective effects on the skin. Overall, incorporating avocado into your diet or skincare routine can be a great way to support healthy, glowing skin. Can I eat avocado every day? Yes, you can eat avocado every day as part of a healthy and balanced diet. Avocado is a nutritious food that is high in healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It can be a great addition to a variety of meals, such as salads, sandwiches, and smoothies. However, it is important to keep in mind that avocados are also relatively high in calories, so it is important to consume them in moderation if you are trying to maintain a healthy weight. One medium-sized avocado contains approximately 250 to 300 calories. If you are incorporating avocado into your diet, it is also important to consider the other foods and nutrients you are consuming. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources, is key to maintaining overall health and well-being. As with any dietary change, it is a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to ensure that eating avocado every day is appropriate for your individual needs and health goals. Here are health benefits of avocado. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats can help to lower cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and promote healthy brain function. 2. High in fiber. Avocados are also high in fiber, which can help to regulate digestion, promote feelings of fullness, and reduce the risk of certain diseases such as colon cancer. 3. Packed with vitamins and minerals. Avocados are rich in several vitamins and minerals, including vitamins K, C, E, and B6, as well as potassium, magnesium, and folate. 4. Good for eye health. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are important for eye health and may help to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 5. Avocados contain several anti-inflammatory compounds, including oleic acid, which may help to reduce inflammation in the body. 6. Some studies have suggested that avocado consumption may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, colon, and prostate cancer. 7. Avocado consumption has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, due to their ability to improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy blood pressure. 8. Despite their relatively high calorie content, studies have suggested that including avocados in the diet may actually help to promote weight loss, due to their high fiber and healthy fat content. 9. Can help regulate blood sugar levels. The high fiber and healthy fat content of avocados can help to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes. While avocados have many health benefits, they can also have some potential disadvantages. 1. Avocados are relatively high in calories compared to other fruits and vegetables. While they contain healthy fats and fiber, consuming too much avocado can lead to weight gain if not consumed in moderation. 2. Depending on where you live, avocados can be quite expensive compared to other fruits and vegetables. This can make it challenging for some people to incorporate them into their diets on a regular basis. 3. Some people may be allergic to avocados, which can cause symptoms such as itching, hives, or difficulty breathing. If you have a known allergy to latex or other fruits, you may be more likely to have an allergic reaction to avocados. 4. Avocado may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners such as warfarin. If you are taking any medications, it is important to talk to your healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of avocado. 5. Avocados can spoil quickly, especially if they are ripe. This can make it challenging to store them for long periods of time or to plan meals around them. Overall, while avocados have many health benefits, it is important to consume them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Here are some delicious recipes that use avocado as a main ingredient. Avocado toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread and top it with mashed avocado, a sprinkle of sea salt, and a drizzle of olive oil. 2. Guacamole. Combine mashed avocado with diced tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Serve with tortilla chips or as a topping for tacos or burritos. 3. Avocado egg salad. Mix diced avocado with hard-boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, mustard, lemon juice, and salt and pepper. Serve on whole grain bread or as a salad. 4. Avocado and shrimp salad. Toss diced avocado with cooked shrimp, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and mixed greens. Dress with a lemon vinaigrette. 5. Avocado and black bean quesadillas. Spread mashed avocado on a whole wheat tortilla, top with black beans, shredded cheese, and diced tomatoes. Cook in a pan until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is crispy. 6. Avocado and cucumber soup. Blend diced avocado, cucumber, Greek yogurt, lime juice, garlic, and chicken or vegetable broth until smooth. Chill and serve as a refreshing summer soup. 7. Avocado and quinoa salad. Mix diced avocado with cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and a lemon vinaigrette. Top with feta cheese or grilled chicken for extra protein. 8. Avocado and tuna salad. Mix diced avocado with canned tuna, chopped celery, red onion, and a Greek yogurt and lemon juice dressing. Serve on whole grain bread or as a salad. 9. Avocado and tomato grilled cheese. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain bread, top with sliced tomato and shredded cheese. Grill until the bread is toasted and the cheese is melted. 10. Avocado chocolate mousse. Blend ripe avocado with cocoa powder, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and almond milk until smooth. Chill and serve as a healthy dessert. In conclusion, the history of avocado is a fascinating one that spans thousands of years and multiple continents. Today, avocado is enjoyed by millions of people for its delicious taste, health benefits, and versatility in cooking. Whether mashed on toast, blended into smoothies, or used as a substitute for mayonnaise, avocado has become a staple ingredient in many kitchens around the globe. Despite some challenges in its cultivation and distribution, the popularity of avocado continues to grow as more people discover its many benefits. So the next time you enjoy a tasty avocado dish, take a moment to appreciate the long and fascinating history behind this amazing fruit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos.